Welcome to our channel! Good morning! It's a beautiful Friday today. Ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-video kasi wala ako sa mood dahil masama ang pakiramdam ko. And mag-video tayo or nagbalak akong film ngayon dahil meron tayong package from Temu. Dapat kahapon pa siya, kahapon ba or noong 25 or 26, pero ngayon lang siya na-deliver kasi mataas pa or makapal yung yelo dito sa labas ng neighborhood namin, so baka kaya laging nare-reschedule. Anyways, buksan na natin. In order ko to I think 3 weeks ago. Yeah, 3 weeks ago. Medyo matagal siya dito compare sa UAE. Sa UAE, most likely around 1 week. 1 week to... Hindi nga siya umaabot ng 2 weeks ng 14 days. Pero anyways, nandito yung in-order ko para sa Valentine's dahil mamimigay si Brent ng Valentine's cards for classmates, and then might as well mag-give sa mga teachers. So I got this. Ina-expect ko medyo malaki siya kasi bumili ako ng Lowe's na bucket, mini bucket. Akala ko kasya siya dito, pero maliit pala siya. Paper bag siya, color pink. Ang cute niya, kaya lang sobrang liit pala niya. And then next is these pillars. Naisip ko sana pink yung theme kasi pink yung mini bucket. And then I got these PJs. Kasi paulit-ulit nyo nang nakikita yung mga pantulog ko dahil nga 'di ba lumipat kami dito as in biglaan. So limited lang yung dala kong pambahay damit. Ayoko namang bumili ng bumili. But this time bumili ako kasi parang mura lang siya. Nasa $8 nung nakita ko. So might as well get para naman may iba tayong masuot. And then I got this. Parang crochet flowers. Isasama ko dun sa bibigay ko sa mga teachers. It's cute. This one. Ang cute niya. What else? Kala ko nga hindi na siya aabot. Ay, maliit lang. Happy Easter. Tapos, another crochet kasi I'm planning to give gifts dun sa 3 teachers. And then, tablecloth for spring, Easter. Hindi ko na muna siya i-open. I got this. Yeah. Diba? Ang cute. And then, mga cards. And then, another flower. Kita nyo ba? Ang cute niya. Pero ayoko na siyang i-open. Ito naman yung parang clip sa underneath ng mattresses. Kasi natatanggal yung kay brand. And then, phone case. Kung ano-ano lang. And keychains. Thank you for helping me grow and learn. For teachers. And then this one, let's check. Like a personalized stickers, name stickers na ilalagay ko dun sa mga gifts for classmates and teachers. I got 2 more keychains. Placemats for spring, Easter. And then this is the very important Dino Valentine's cards na ibibigay sa mga classmates ni Brent. Meron naman sa Hobby Lobby and stuffs, but mostly mga Bluey, Paw Patrol, and I'm thinking like, I'm pretty sure dun din bibili yung mga mga parents. So might as well kumuha tayo ng dinos kasi para alam nilang galing talaga kay Brent kasi dino. Oh, kaya lang, ang problema is putol. Happy Valentine's Day. Pero putol. Yung Y. Ano ba yan? Sige na lang. Kesa bibili pa ako. Ito na nga lang. Ano ba yan? Parang nagsisi naman ako ng very light doon. Kasi parang hindi siya kumpleto. Anyways, yun lang. Wala nang iba, yun lang. For Valentine's lang lahat. Kaya lang ito, ano ba yan? Hindi ko tuloy alam kung bibili na lang ba ako ng iba or ito na lang. What do you think? Pero baka pag na-upload ko to, hindi pa naman. Maaga pa. So, ano ba? Putol yung yung Y niya. Okay lang ba yan? Sige na lang. Wala na tayong choice. Meron naman choice bumili kaya lang. Sayang naman. Sige na lang, ibigay na lang natin. Ibigay na lang natin. Sa mga bata lang naman eh. Diba? Ano pa ba ito? Nails. Wala lang, trip ko lang sanang ng nails. Yung mga handmade nails. That's cute. Kasi ito may kasama siyang ganito. Anyways, yun lang. Nag-unboxing lang tayo. Let's see mamaya kung makakapag-film pa ako. Because I feel like I think I'm going to urgent care kasi masama yung pakiramdam ko. Hintayin ko lang makapagpahinga yung aking asawa, makatulog man lang kahit konti kasi galing siya sa work. Anyways, that's it. See you later. Good afternoon! This is the next day na. Kahapon parang isang beses lang ako nag-film. Time check. Yeah, afternoon. It's 12... Wait, what is it? 12:11. I don't know if you can see. 12:11? No, 2:11 in the afternoon. May madali ang kaming ganap. Kasama namin si Bran ngayon. And that's it. Balitaan ko kayo later. They have? Are we gonna get flowers from here? For mom? Are we gonna get flowers from here?
For
Birthday tomorrow. Sunday tomorrow we can give.
you can think about it. You can think about it. I'm sure it's good, but it's $18. Cedar wood. What's that smell like?
Be careful. I'm sorry, that's
Do you know what we need?
yeah, you get your thing. So we need celery. There you go. Oh, there you go.
We got pre-made avocado.
Yeah. Cranberry juice. No. vegetables. Do you want me to get now?
A bunch of different colors. Now this one's got a lot of mold on it.
Okay. Do you want me to get celery now? Celery.
I think you can get it in the bag.
And
You want to get the baby carrots or the full-size carrots? And does that blend up all okay? Or
Yeah.
find out?
we'll find out. And I need bell pepper.
I have bell pepper. Bell pepper.
Ah?
Bell pepper.
Boy, what's wrong? You said,
Oh, that's too cold?
it is cold. Mahal doon. Ako ayoko mag-grocery doon. Diyos ko, mauubos ang budget. Balikan ko kayo mamaya. Sasakay na kami. Oh my gosh. Sobrang lamig. Ay, nagsasnow na naman. Akala ko tapos na. Sabi ni Daddy magwa-warm na ang panahon pero parang wala namang nangyaring pagwa-warm.
It's that wind.
It is so cold. Ay, grabe. If you like organic stuffs, you can go on that market, fresh market. Nice yung atmosphere doon sa loob. Very rustic. Kaya lang, yung mga items is not for daily supplies or weekly supplies, especially for the family of 5. Ay, namamahalan ako ah. Yung isang garlic doon na parang pa-rectangle na nasa container, nakatayo siya, pero kalahati lang ng container. Yung laman ng garlic, mga 6 pieces lang siguro. Or maybe 10 pieces. Nasa $4 na. Hindi ko carry. Kasi may binibili ako na peeled off na. Siguro nasa $6, pero umaabot sa amin ng, pag na-means ko na siya, umaabot sa amin ng 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Parang yun hindi aabutin. Namamahalan ako. Pati yung mga vegetables nila. Let's see.
Even though you're paying them more interest, it's important to always know this. And this is what I tell folks. It's not so much the cost of the money or the availability of the money. So this is the availability of the land. You don't have to have good credit or any credit whatsoever. Most of the time, they're going to check and verify your income. The best, it's about the best. Now, the good news is you've got a piece of land that you can improve. You can build upon. But always remember this. Get it in writing. Make sure the purchase agreement between you, the buyer, and the seller selling your property gives you permission to do whatever it is that you want to do on the property. Just take it a step further. Don't rely on just that person. Ask to see a copy of the contract. You can't have lost on. You just need to know that going in so you don't get hung out on a piece of property that you can't enjoy. Now, before you go get unhappy, find a piece of land that you can purchase. These properties are listed for sale all the time. So if you want real estate property all over the country, we need help doing that. You can contact me.com. Tell me exactly what you're looking for.
duty free. Kagrarating lang namin ng bahay. Bumili kami sa fresh market ng mga fruits, ay hindi pala, veggies, para sa gagawin kong drink. Healthy drink. Let's check what we have here. We got this French beans, Baguio beans, broccoli, zucchini, para kay Mr. Bell pepper, because I think I'm gonna make chicken curry, and then baby tomatoes. And then another one is, wait, let me check. Binuhol yata ni Daddy kasi nilagay niya sa likod ng truck para malamig kasi may mga dinaanan pa kami. And cranberry juice. Kailangan ko to. Pineapple juice. A bag of potatoes. What else do we have here? 2 half gallons of milk.
I'm gonna start the car for a little bit.
Okay. I'm filming. And a bag of baby baby carrots, white mushroom, and a bag of celery, onions. What else? I think we still have 2 more bags left. Nag-try lang kami kasi gusto ni Mr. doon. Pero ako namamahalan ako doon eh. Pero sa kanya kasi gusto niya yung cozy environment, rustic, tahimik lang, maliit yung eye, less crowd, dim ang lights, and he got this Greek yogurt. I want to try this Chobani yogurt. Oopsie. Spice, dill. And a bag of, I don't know what you pronounce it. Lumachin na pasta. Gusto ko sana yung macaroni elbow, but they don't have the small or medium. Ayoko ng large. So, yun lang yung mga nabili namin. And a dozen of eggs. Yan yung mga nabili namin doon. Okay naman. Kaya lang kasi yung mga kailangan ko like eggplant, wala sila. Yung garlic naman, namamahalan ako yung peeled off na kasi konti lang. Tapos $4 ata $5. And then after that, we went to, nag-try lang kami. Kailangan ko kasi ng soy sauce and vinegar. Eh, gusto ko yung Filipino brand, Pinoy brand. So, we went to Asian supermarket. And, pinag-uusapan pa lang namin ni Daddy yung tungkol sa shrimp paste kasi nga ilang months na kami dito. Walang shrimp paste. And, look! Ate, look at this. Barrio Fiesta bagoong. Meron na silang bagoong. 2 na yung binili ko. Grated cassava. Ay. Bok choy. Bala kong gumawa ng kare-kare. And Yung tamad days lang, lalo na ngayon taglamig. Ligo sardines. What else? Smaller wrapper for siomai or crab rangoon. Pang pansit canton. Nasaan na? Snoopy. Hindi tayo magpapawala niyan kasi si ate favorite yan. Tapos ito talaga lang ang kailangan ko. Tsaka yung shrimp paste. But, you know. And, naalala ko si ate. Gusto niya nito. Pillows. Yun lang yung mga nabili namin. Dalawa na pala yung binili ko kasi nagkakaubusan dito. So, might as well. Siyempre, bili tayo kahit ang mahal. Ginto siya, in fairness. Nagtanong pa sa akin yung ano kung, are you sure? I mean, $20 for each. Sabi ko, ay yes. Kasi ang tagal na namin dito. Wala akong makita. Tapos, ayun na. That's it. At, nagbabalik. Tamad na tamad akong mag-film. Ewan ko ba kung bakit. Siguro kasi masama yung pakiramdam ko this past few days. So, naput na ang dishes sa dishwasher. May mga huhugasan na lang kasi bumili kami ng blender for our healthy drink. Ang mga bata, nasa labas kasama si daddy. Gusto nila maglaro at anong oras na? 5:31 na. Madilim na sa labas pero gusto pa din nilang maglaro sa snow. Kanina nag-snow na naman. Kala ko matutunaw na. Ay, hindi ko kayang lumabas kasi ang lamig sobra. At andun sila. Kita ba? Teka, ako ang nakikita nyo. Teka, buksan ko na lang yung pinto. Ano? Wait. Sobrang lamig. Here's Ada. Over there. Brent. What are you doing, Brent? You're shoveling? Kumukuha si daddy na lamig sobra. Kumukuha si daddy. Nag-promise kasi siya sa mga bata. This is his second day off. Nag-promise siya sa mga bata na makikipaglaro siya sa snow. Ano bang ganap namin kahapon? Nagpunta ako sa sa urgent care. Dahil masama yung pakiramdam ko. So, ending, hinapon na kami ng alis kasi may pasok siya morning na nakauwi. Hinayaan ko muna siyang makatulog. Tiniis ko muna yung sakit na nararamdaman ko and then pumunta kami sa urgent care. Dumating kami, madilim na, so hindi sila nakapaglaro. Nag-promise kasi siya makikipaglaro sa mga bata. So, ayan, dahil bukas ay church day, so, church muna, baka afternoon, gumawa ng ibang mga dapat gawin. Lalo na sa homeschooling ni ate, may mga ayusin kami. And then, ano pa ba? Yun lang naman. Magluluto ako ng pininyahang manok. Pero, balikan ko na lang kayo mamaya habang nagluluto ako or after magluto. Alam nyo naman ang drill. Para makatapos ako. Ang hirap mag-film. Tapos, ang hirap mag-film na naglilinis. Kasi pag nagluluto ako, naghuhugas ako, nagwawash ako ng dishes. Multitasking. So, tignan natin. Alright, see ya! Bye! Thank you for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe.